Good afternoon. My name is Jamie Koppel, and I'm acting as the logistics chief up here and supply unit leader, and originally as a facility unit leader. We're at the Estes Fairgrounds. We came here after the YMCA camp was evacuated with the fire definitely threatening the community here. So we moved here, and right now we're downsizing big time to allow for more room here at the fairgrounds for their parade that they're going to be doing. And one of the big players of that is we have a camp crew here, and I'm going to let the camp crew leader Rob introduce his crew.
Afternoon, my name is Rob McGregor. I'm the camp crew coordinator out of Angel Job Corps. We're out of Yachats, Oregon. We've been here, Saturday will be our 14 days. I'd like to take an opportunity to introduce my crew. Behind me is Mr. Steve Robertson. He's a firefighter, engine boss, and all-around excellent individual to have on a crew. Next we have my camp crew trainee. This is Mr. Avery. Mr. Avery has been doing this job kind of in a firefighter capacity. This is his first trip as a crew boss on the camp crew. Been doing an excellent job, 6 years on the gig. Next we have Mr. True. True has been, this is his third fire assignment this year. He's been kicking butt, taking names, doing a great job. This is Miss Cynthia. This is Miss Cynthia's first fire. And she's picking things up, doing a wonderful job, and all around just trying to learn how the process goes. And behind the pink tape over there is Miss Celestina Mungie. She's one of our staff members over at the center, and this is her second fire this year as a trainee. Next we have Felix. He's under the mask there. Thank you, Felix. This is his second fire this year, and he's picking up things very well. Next we have Mr. Gordon. Gordon is out of Timberlake Job Corps, and he's been at Angel Job Corps for a few months now. This is his first fire of the season. And next we have Miss Sky. Miss Sky, this is her first fire. She's an auto student at the Angel Job Corps program, and she's picking things up and doing a great job. All in all, everybody's done a wonderful job and learning and far from home, new experiences, all the good stuff. All right. I thank you all. I appreciate your time.
And I'd also like to introduce my receiving and distribution manager. This is Stan from Minnesota.
Hi there. Hi. It's been a pleasure to work with Jamie and the love, the community. I've never experienced such love, I guess that's the way you can say it. Things are just great here in Estes Park.
Okay, so like I said, we're downsizing and to give some room back to the fairgrounds. They're getting ready for a big parade, which is a big deal here in the community. So all this stuff that you kind of been seeing in the background, the supplies, we are going to ship that out of here back to the fire cache. And then we're remaining, the next building over will be a facility that will remain after Friday. We'll have medical, COVID people, a few logistics folks, and then it'll also be a great place for the ops guys and gals in the morning when they brief to get out. And actually, my family and I were going to come here the first week of November on vacation, but the fire kind of changed our plans, and we're still planning on coming back in April because it's just an amazingly beautiful place.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Jamie. And the fire crews here, they're making sure that Glen Haven, Storm Mountain, and that whole area, that slop is all taken care of?
Yes, we've been over there a lot, and they still have a lot of heavy equipment working on both federal land and private, trying to rehab the fire lines back there so when the weather comes in, they don't get a lot of soil erosion, and so things heal more quickly after we got in there and do that what we call fire suppression rehab.
Great. And we know the community's been generous. The signs are all over the place. How does that make the firefighters feel to see those thank you signs?
You know, I've been doing this for a number of years, and I've been in a lot of other communities that show a lot of gratitude, but this is over the top. Just last night, a few of us went to dinner at one of the restaurants, and as we were leaving one of the tables with 6, 7, 8 individuals, they all stood up and clapped and thanked us, and so it's been a pretty good experience up here.
Great, thank you. Well, on behalf of the Pacific Northwest Team 10, all the camp crew and everybody else, we have a big thank you to the town of Estes and all the people, right?
Thank you. Yes, indeed.
Thank you, Jamie.